Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share a really great way to hide apps on your phone. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. Before we get to the explanation, as usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get to the explanation with God's blessings. The first step, my friend, as you can see, is this calculator app. This app is a real calculator, but if you enter a specific code, it will open a new interface, just like a new phone. I can hide anything: apps, files, pictures, videos, everything. First, to set your own code, write the code once, for example, like this, then press the equals key. Then write the code again and press the equals key. This will open a secret interface where you can hide any app, file, or picture you want. It works offline, and this version is free and works without internet. I'll put it in the first pinned comment. There are many similar apps, but I chose the best and free one for you.